Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be looking at lesson 2.4, which is about partial quotients and how you can use partial quotients to divide by two-digit divisors. So let's start with this question. It says, people in the United States eat about 23 pounds of pizza per person every year. If you ate that much pizza each year, how many years would it take you to eat 775 pounds of pizza? Okay, so we're going to be dividing 775 divided by 23 using partial quotients. What that means is we're going to be taking bits and pieces out. So subtract multiples of the divisor from the dividend until the remaining number is less than the multiple. The easiest partial quotients to use are multiples of 10. So we're going to start with 10 times 23, which is 230. When we subtract, we then get 545. So I'm going to do 10 times 23 again, because this number is still larger than the 230. So over here, I'm going to keep track of what I'm multiplying the 23 by. I'm multiplying by 23 because that's our divisor. So we're going to have 230. Subtract 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So again, we still have a number that's larger than 230. So I'm going to do 10 times 23 again. Put my 10 over here to keep track of that. And that's going to be 230. 5 minus 0 is 5. I have to borrow. So we get 85. Well, so I know that 23 is about 20. So if I multiply that by 2, I get 40. So I'm just going to do 2 times 23. So I'm going to put 2 over here. 2 times 23 is going to be 46. I'm going to subtract. I could use another number here if I knew it, but so then we have to borrow. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. So again, 46 is smaller, so we can do 1 times 23. So I'm going to put my 1 over here. We have 23. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 16 here is less than 23, so this is going to be what's left over. So 16 is my remainder. But to get my quotient, I need to add up all these numbers. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2 plus 1 is 33. So I get 33, remainder 16. Which makes my answer more than 33 years to eat 775 pounds of pizza. So I'm going to try another problem. Here they've done a lot of the work for us. But again, we're always going to start by multiplying by 10 or a multiple of 10. So I'm going to put my 10 here. 320, 10, 320, another 320, another 320. So this one's not 320, but it is half of 320. So we've multiplied by 5. So over here I have 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5. And then I have 10 left over, so 45, remainder 10. So he would need to order 45 packages. Let's try one more problem here. So again, I'm going to start with 10 times 32. It's going to be 320. 0, 3, 1, 1. Now, 320, I'm going to double it this time because I know that we can get a lot more out of here. So I'm going to do 20 times 32. So 20. 2 times 32 is 64, so 640. 0 minus 0, I have to borrow, so 13, that becomes 9. This is the 0, so now it's 10, so 490. So I can get another 10 times 32. 320, 0, 7, 170. So 160 is going to be half of that, so 5 times 32. 160 subtract 10. So we add this all up, 20, 30, 45, remainder 10. So 45, remainder 10. So as you can see, these two are the same problems, but you can do it different ways and get the same result.